Hey, what's up YouTube? Alex here. I'm going to go ahead and try to show you how to change your starter on your 97 Dodge Ram Cummins. First thing we're going to do here, disconnect both your negatives on your battery terminals. That's an obvious. You don't want to be, working under there and randomly have your starter go up on you. I cover mine with gloves just in case. You definitely don't need to do that. It's overkill, but I just don't know the difference between a good spark and a bad spark. But I'm just rambling now. Let's get to it. First thing you're going to do when you're under the truck is take off those. There's going to be three, if I can get to them, 3 bolts. One right here, one right there, and then one directly above. They're all 10 millimeters. Pretty easy to crack open. You're definitely not going to be able to do it with a nut, but with any decent sized wrench you should be able to get to go. Next thing you're going to do, disconnect your positive terminal, and then little guy over there, the signal wire. People commonly think that's going to be a ground, but no, that's actually your signal wire. Let's get to it. So I found out that the angles down there are pretty awkward, so I'm going to go ahead and use this 10 millimeter socket, this universal joints, a 6-inch extension, and your normal 3/8 ratchet wrench. Okay. Boom, and there you have it. That is one starter taken out. I'll go ahead and open up this guy later, just so we could find out what went wrong. But let's get this new one in now. So, this is the new starter from Premier Gear. I got it for about 110 bucks off Amazon. All the reviews seemed great. Price was good. Yeah, even came with starter data sheet. Come on, focus. Don't really know what that means. Oh well. We got a starter and we're gonna put him in. Oh yeah, and let me know in the video description down below if you want to see a rebuild of this guy right here. I might just keep it just in case. Like I said, this starter went bad on me in 5 months. No, 6 months. Just 6 months. This starter went bad. Hopefully this lasts a little bit longer. I have 3-year warranty on it. But yeah, let's go ahead and put this one in.